How to fix Bank of America app not working. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Bank of America app not working. If you are experiencing issues with your Bank of America application not working, then here are several steps you can take to resolve the problem. First of all, ensure that you are connected to stable and strong internet connection. You may also try switching between data network and Wi-Fi in order to check if that works. Also, you need to ensure that you have the latest version of Bank of America app installed on your device. To check that, you can go to the Play Store of your device. Here in the search bar, tap on it and then type in Bank of America mobile banking. Now you can search for it. Here you will find this Cash Pro Bank of America application. Tap on it to open it. And inside it, if you found Update button, go ahead and tap on the Update button in order to install the latest version of this application. If you didn't see the Update button, that means your application is already up to date. If your application is already up to date and you're still facing this issue, then you might need to clear the app cache. For that, you will need to go to the device settings, and in the settings page, here you will need to scroll down to find application or apps option. Once you get it, tap on it to open it, and in this page here you'll be able to see all the application installed on your device. From here you will need to find the application Cash Pro or Bank of America. Once you find the application, tap on it to open it, and inside it here you will need to scroll to find storage option. Tap on storage, and here at the bottom right you'll be able to see clear cache option. Tap on that clear cache and your cache will be cleared. Here I have already cleared my cache, so I am not able to do so. Once your cache has been cleared, you can go and check if your Cash Pro or Bank of America application is working now or not. If it isn't working still, then you might need to uninstall and reinstall the application. For that, again you will need to go to the Play Store of your device, search for the application Bank of America, and once you reach inside it, here you will be able to see Uninstall button. Simply tap on this Uninstall button and confirm it by tapping on Uninstall once again. It will help you to uninstall the application from your device. Once the application has been successfully installed, now again tap on this Install button in order to reinstall the application in your device. After that, you can log into your account using your credentials, and then you will be able to fix Bank of America app not working issue. If still you are not able to solve this problem, then there might be some server problems that is causing malfunctions. If that's the case, then you will need to wait for a while and try accessing the app later. So by following these steps, you should be able to fix Bank of America app not working issue. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.